Hi, welcome to the Genius community, where we learn the various digital skills on how to make money online. So making money online requires some necessary skills and some level of commitment as well as work. We'll be talking about most of these individual elements and how you can put them together to get the required results, and how you can really make a living out of the internet. Why are you interested in making money on the internet? The reason is this: the money you are looking for is in somebody's hands. For that person to release that money for you, it means there's something he has to offer against the conventional work in real life, where most of the time we exchange our time for money. But in this case, we are exchanging value for money. So this value involves a lot of things: promoting their own product or selling your own product. Just like in the case of the conventional market, where you meet people, you tell them about the product and what you have to offer and what they will benefit from it. But in the aspect of the digital space, we'll be talking about the various means or channels which you can reach out to this audience. This involves calls, texts, emails, and even having your own brand, such as having your own YouTube channel, your own social media handles. So in doing this, while you are promoting this product with the aim of getting buyers to buy it, this product can either be your own product or other people's product. And this product, most of the time, the challenge you have as a starter is nobody knows you. That's why a lot of people at the beginning involves a lot of energy in the aspect of the email marketing or the calls or other medium. Because at that initial stage, since nobody knows you, it's going to be very difficult for you to convince somebody by creating a channel today, having an audience that, or a social media handle today, with the thinking you have an audience that you have a large volume of audience that you'll be able to reach out to. So since you can't reach out to such audience, you resort to email marketing, and for you to convince them, it means you must have contacted them severally over and over a particular product, and going as far as creating a social proof to tell them how realistic or how real this product is and what they will tend to benefit. Just like in the case where, since nobody knows me, if I start talking about, let's say, Donald Trump or George Bush or any prominent personality or any president of any country or any popular celebrity, Kanye West, or any person that you can think of, Bill Gates, you will be inquisitive. If I tell you about it once or twice, there's high possibility that you will go online to search for it to confirm what I'm telling you. Maybe I said he has a particular product that he's talking about and you need people to check. You want to check. But if I start talking about myself at this initial stage, you will not be bothered. Your chances of going online to check will not be there that much, because there is no possibility that when you go on Google and search about me, you will get any tangible information. But you should search information about Bill Gates, any Elon Musk. In short, for those who are into the crypto environment, you notice that there was a time that the driving force of crypto is driven by the movement of Elon Musk. A lot of people are taking it that way, that when he invests in a particular product, everybody rushes into it, and the price automatically goes up. Why is it that? It's because of the popularity and the fame he's already had. He has built a reputation over a long period of time. The entire email marketing requires getting a lot of contact of emails, which means there is no possibility that the first 10 people you contact might patronize you or might even open your email. So that is why people use diverse means of getting most of this email. They use the funnel, they use Google, they use a host of other, by having to go through the individual profile of each of these personality or businesses and their target of interest. So with this, I'm sure you have learned something tangible about what email marketing is and how to go about it. And each of these platforms that provide email marketing have their own unique capability and how wide they can go. Google is here. So when you go for Google, it has GMAS, which offers you a very wide range of features. You can see this is where it has to offer. You get to see the number of people that open your email, you get to see the clicks, you get to see the bounce, and a host of other things. So to minimize bounce and a host of other things, we have provision where you can verify some of the email during the process of the sending. Also have a lot of features that you can go. We'll be talking about it as time goes on. Yahoo too also has its own. Like in the case of Yahoo, Yahoo has some flexibility that you need to invest some money into payment first. Just that it doesn't give you that flexibility that you need, just like the case of Gmail. That you can have a lot of features to monitor what people are doing, and lots of other. And why I require most of the time with Gmail is with the advent of the mobile devices, most people consume content through mobile phones. Most of the time, the demand for Gmail has been on the rise due to the advent of Play Store that requires Gmail account most of the time. So with that, we will get to see more as time goes on. Thank you very much. Watch out for the next video to understand how to go into the practical aspect of the digital marketing. Thanks you very much once again.